these beads inside of some clay. So yeah. So let me get the clay off my fingers. It's really sticky. It's really tricky to get off too. So yeah. So I'm just gonna open it. I'm gonna do some rainbows in there. I'm just gonna stuff it around. And this is gonna get stickiness away from it because I don't like it. It's sticky. It's gonna make it crunchy and cool. So this is what it turned out to be. It's a bunch of beads inside. It's brown clay. Just mixed a bunch of colors together and made that. Since I had more pink and black, that's how it turned really big, and it had other colors. So. And if you hear that, that's my sister. This is really hard now. I just want to kiss Abby. Oh! That's my sister too. That's the same one. Just keeps slipping. And I don't really care about those because I don't really use them. And it's really crunchy. Like, doesn't stick no more. It's not sticky. It's just crunchy. It's like I'm gonna add some of these. They don't stick on. So no. And it looks like a turd. This looks like a turd. Ellie, you wanna see a turd? So yeah. And then what are we gonna be doing next, Ellie? You wanna make Play-Doh? You wanna make Play-Doh?
How?
You still don't know. You don't remember how we did it in Mexico?
What conditioner?
It doesn't matter what conditioner.
We're not gonna use that one because I need that one. It makes my hair really soft.
Okay, then with the crema.
Sure.
Okay.
Where's cornstarch?
Okay. Do you want to make your own batter?
Yeah, but do you have cornstarch?
Let's. Oh, I have my own container. It's really big. So this is what it is. So that's all for today.